So today we're going back to our local grocery store. We don't even know what's going to happen, but we're going anyway. We're actually just doing a drink run, but
we're also going to make some progress, too.
Progress! Progress in the local grocery store.
Yeah, what happens when you release two people of like-minded thinking into the world? What's done is done.
Yep. Tasted like my soda.
You should taste like an empty stomach. You just woke up.
I know. Oh, no, not soda. Kool-Aid. That's what it was.
Whole man Kool-Aid. A couple bits damn, dude, I can't do that first thing in the morning. It hurts my stomach like crazy. That sounds like a disease, isn't it?
First is trying to drive. Don't get hit by a car, Red 2.
Yeah, that would make it 3 times I've been hit by cars in Oregon.
Fuck that.
Well, actually, no, 3 cars I've been hit in my life. I got hit once in...
Oh, that's awesome. These people probably heard it.
They're probably like, what the?
What the fuck? What has this neighborhood turned into?
That. Just another beautiful tank.
Pretty much.
Oh, man. That phone is going to see so many random videos.
Yeah, it is. Like this one.